Hey there! Hey there and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Hey, it's me and welcome back Snacks. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It's actually the 1st of December around 4:30 in the AM, and we're going to be preparing a very quick fix of our breakfast. So without wasting time, let's get right into the ingredients.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So, as you've seen from the title, probably, we are preparing some toast bread, and I have my margarine right here, and I'm going to spread it on both sides of the bread. And then this is oregano. You can use salted butter, but if you do not have salted butter, you can use your normal butter, unsalted butter, or you can also use margarine, or you can also use any kind of spread that you have. This is oregano, and oregano has a salty taste that I like. So if at all you do not have salted butter, this is the recipe for you. Let's have a chit chat. It's currently about 40 minutes past 4, actually 20 minutes to 5 in the AM, and I'm actually shooting this day, and I'm actually shooting this particular episode today, and I'm hopeful that it will go up by 10 in the AM before midday. So I've always known that I'm supposed to have very many episodes for December because it's Vlogmas, and that means that most YouTubers are supposed to shoot like an episode or two per day for the entire month of December up to 25th of December, but the laziness in me couldn't allow. So I'm always the last minute person. Like, maybe, I don't know, I'm just the last minute person who will just like wait for everything. I could have shot this yesterday, but I knew like I had today, so I did not have much pressure. There was no much pressure because, you know, it's never too late if the due date wasn't yesterday. So yeah, so that's what we're working with. And also, just to mention, sipaki spread mingi, I'm just applying little because the purpose of the margarine is just to make the oregano stick to something. Yeah, but if at all you like a lot of margarine, okay, maybe today you can try with little margarine, and you're going to love this recipe. So also this recipe comes together in about like 5 minutes. You'll be done, like from the time of preparation to the time you start eating, and our bread is ready. And then now we're going to sprinkle some oregano. You can go in with as much as you want or as little as you want. Then you remember that you're doing both sides, so you do not want to overdo. Yeah, you just do what is enough for each side, and then we flip. Meanwhile, my oven is preheating at 180 degrees, and I'm preheating it for about 5 minutes. Also, just to mention, today I just felt like doing someone else's intro. I know you might not have noticed because it was very short. It was a very short intro, and yeah, let me repeat so that you can listen to it again and you can notice it. So this person's intro goes like, hi, then she says her name. So instead of saying it's me, I'm not confident to start mentioning my name though. So I just say like, hey, it's me and welcome back Snacks. Yeah, so as you can see, my bread is ready, and I'm going to bake this at the center rack in an oven that has been preheating at 180 degrees. Then I'm going to roast this. Okay, is it roast or bake? I'm going to put this in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't do more than that because I'm putting it at the center rack with heat coming from both the top and the bottom. Then I'll be back to show you the results. So look at this beautiful color, and they're so crunchy, and I love them because of the crunchiness and the saltiness from the oregano. Just listen to this. I've served mine with black coffee. Yeah. I mean, this recipe, I love it because it's very simple. Also, it doesn't take a lot of time. It only needs about 5 minutes, because if you bake this for more than 5 minutes, you'll just have some burnt offering, and that's not what you want. Also, I've placed mine on top of a plate so that there can be air circulation, so that they can cool. Because when I place them directly on my surface, the bottom side will sweat because there is no air circulation. I mean, this is just a bomb recipe. So I'll go have this for breakfast, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see me prepare next, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hey, it's me again. Hey, it's me again. Hope you're doing good, and yeah. Sasa huyo mtoto ni wa nani analia saa hizi?